Hi, welcome to Next Level Skateboard Shop. We have another unboxing to do. This box just arrived today. We are going to see what's in it. I think I know what's in it, but we're going to do that together. So, it's what I thought it was going to be. Next Level now carries Thrasher. This is a Thrasher hoodie. Thrasher hoodie, Thrasher hoodie, Thrasher hoodie. Extra large, large, medium, and small. Thrasher hoodies. Ooh. Thrasher patch. Thrasher stickers. It's a whole pack of Thrasher stickers. More Thrasher stickers. Very awesome. Ooh. Thrasher belts. That is cool. Okay. Spitfire beanie. Thunder Trucks beanie. Spitfire beanie. Spitfire hat. Spitfire hat. Venture Trucks hat. We got some Venture Trucks coming, but that's a secret until it comes. And then a Thrasher hat. That. Thrasher patch. Thrasher Skateboard Magazine hoodie. Thrasher Skateboard Magazine hoodie. Thrasher Flame t-shirt. Flame t-shirt. Thrasher Flame t-shirt. Thrasher Flame t-shirt. Thrasher Skateboard Magazine t-shirts. Thrasher t-shirt. Thrasher t-shirt. Thrasher Skateboard Magazine crew neck. Thrasher Skateboard Magazine hoodie. Skateboard Magazine hoodie. Thrasher. Ooh. Thrasher Goat, the Skate Goat t-shirt. Skate Goat t-shirt. Thrasher Skate Goat t-shirt. Thrasher Magazine t-shirt. Thrasher Magazine t-shirt. Another Thrasher t-shirt. Another Thrasher t-shirt. Another Thrasher t-shirt. Another Scapegoat t-shirt. Ooh. Thrasher Magazine beanie. Long sleeve t-shirt. Thrasher Flames. Long sleeve t-shirt. Thrasher Flames. So Next Level Skateboard Shop now carries Thrasher. So stoked.